Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to another video of a study with ARS, and today's our topic is proving of neutron. So as you guys know that we have studied about cathode rays and significant figures in chemistry, and now we are having the topic of proving of neutron. So starting with the discovery, so it was discovered by James Chadwick in 1932, and to memorize the year is not an important thing. You can also just memorize this name. James Chadwick has discovered a neutron. So name of experiment was nuclear reaction, and nuclear means nucleus and reaction means changes. So any changes with nucleus called nuclear reaction. So for doing this experiment, he took beryllium for the reaction, and he bombarded the alpha rays, or you may say helium on beryllium. So here's the thing, that how alpha particle is equals to the nucleus of helium. So it is described here that alpha particles have two protons, and while helium also have two protons. So that is why helium nucleus resembles with alpha particle. So here I'm drawing the nucleus of helium. So it means it possesses the two proton and two neutron. So here you might be able to see that it possessed two protons, and two protons means it possesses two positive charge like alpha particle. So we are having the reaction beryllium beryllium plus helium, which is an alpha particle. Okay, so when the reaction happen, then it produces carbon, and the atomic number of carbon is 6, atomic mass is 12, but the neutron required means there were 13 neutron, and in product we are getting only 12 neutron. And but he examined one thing, he observed one thing, that there was one other particle as well. So he wants to see that which particle was there. So he just done he just means he just put electric field, and as you guys know that electric field conduct positive and negative charges. So by means of that we can easily discover that which is the particle here. So at that time there were only two particles, which were electron and proton. Okay, so he thinks that if there will be electron, then it will be moving towards the positive side, and if there will be a proton, then it will be moving towards the negative side. But he observed another thing. He observed that neutron straight for goes straight forward and produces a glow here, and because of that glow on the plate of zinc sulfide, the plate which has been covered by which is a coating of zinc sulfide, at that it produces a glow. And because of this glow, he was a bit confused, but he said that this particle is a neutron, and he then it was discovered. It was the starting of discovery of neutron. But the first vision is another thing. It was means from this it was means on the hype, but the first vision was another thing. So here is the first vision. So at the first vision, scientists were there, who were means finding the different items of atomic mass, and they were adding electron and proton, and whole the sum of this electron and proton was not equals to the whole atom mass, means this is the atom. So it was not equals to the whole atom mass. So giving you an example, that if electron, it is an example, okay, it's not a mass. Okay, if electron was having 1 gram and proton was having 2 grams, then while the atom was having 5 grams. So they said that if there are only 3 grams of if there is only 3 gram of mass, so what is the 2 gram more, which particle is the 2 gram? And after this reaction, by the help of beryllium and helium, and then it came to the mind that there is another particle, and that particle is neutral, and which is now called neutron. So I hope you guys enjoyed this lecture, and see you on the next video.